Welcome to another video walk around here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we'll be taking a look at this 2017 Toyota Highlander with some great exterior features that include roof rails and 18-inch wheels. Entering the vehicle, we have our key with our lock and unlock. Taking a first look inside, you've got black Softex interior. This Highlander also comes equipped with a power moonroof, all-weather floor mats, and power seat adjustments. Taking a seat in the vehicle and looking at the steering wheel, on the left side here we have our audio and phone controls. On the right you've got Toyota Safety Sense and your cruise at the bottom. This Highlander has 78,000 kilometers. Over in the middle on your touchscreen you have your AM/FM radio, Bluetooth phone connection, along with navigation and a backup camera. Right below that you have your dual zone climate controls. Down at the very bottom here we have our outlets along the bottom with snow mode and your downhill assist. And behind our gear shifter we have our heated seat dials. Taking a look at the second row seats, we have two fold-out cup holders, along with our third set of climate controls in the back of the center console and storage pouches in each of the seat backs. You also have a DVD player. For access to the third row, all you have to do is lift up on this tab here, and the seat will fold and slide forward. This Highlander comes equipped with a power liftgate. Once that's open, you can see we still have a ton of storage space with the third row seats folded up, but if you're hauling larger items or just need the extra room, the third row easily folds down. To close the liftgate, you could use the button on your key fob again, but there's also an additional button on the top of the liftgate itself. Thank you for watching our video walk around on this 2017 Toyota Highlander with some great interior features that include heated seats, navigation, and a DVD player. We are located at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.